So this wasn't exactly how Samsung wanted the world to meet the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, but a surprise eBay listing just blew the cover off everything. Someone out there managed to get their hands on a working prototype, yes, a real boxed-up unit, and decided to auction it off online. No flashy launch, no teaser trailer, just a random eBay post that gave us a front row seat to Samsung's next big smartwatch weeks ahead of schedule. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into juicy tech leaks, gadget drama, and staying a step ahead of the crowd, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Now back to this juicy leak. What showed up on eBay wasn't just some dummy unit, it had the full silver metal case, a classy black leather strap, and even came in official retail packaging. Charger, the model number, SMN05U, that tells us it's the LTE variant meant for the US market, and the size, a solid 46 mm, right in line with what Galaxy Watch Classic fans love. But here's where things get wild. The shape isn't the classic circle we're used to. This time Samsung's going squirkle. Yoop, a hybrid between a square and a circle. And no, that's not a typo, it's the same edgy shape Samsung introduced with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and it looks like they're blending design languages across their entire wearable lineup. And before you panic, yes, the rotating bezel is still here. It's not going anywhere, but the new squirkle body gives it a different feel. Some are calling it modern, others not so much. Honestly, it's going to divide fans, and that's exactly what makes it so interesting. Also, Samsung didn't just stop at the shape. They've added a third crown button to the right side and a chunky speaker grille on the left, more Apple Watch Ultra vibes, maybe. But this extra button might mean more control, better shortcuts, or even new gestures. The details are still under wraps, but it's giving us plenty to speculate about. Here's another shocker, this watch is rumored to come with a whopping 64 GB of internal storage. That's double what we got with the Galaxy Watch 7. Want to download music, podcasts, or apps directly to your wrist? You'll have room for days. As for performance, don't expect a brand new chip. Samsung's sticking with the Exynos 1000, same as last year. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. This chip is built on a Thurn process, so it's still power efficient, snappy, and reliable. And with One UI 8 watch, Samsung's latest Wear OS skin, it gets a whole new layer of polish. This software update is bringing smoother animations, cleaner menace, and brand new tiles for stuff like calculators, voice recorders, and even Galaxy Buds controls. There's also a new shortcut system that lets you launch apps like the voice recorder straight from the side button. It's subtle stuff, but if you use your watch every day, it makes a difference. Battery-wise, we're likely looking at a slightly bigger cell. The leaked unit is around 2-3 nm thicker than the previous version, which usually means extra power. The 1W wireless charging is still here, not blazing fast, but it gets the job done. And the overall power efficiency seems improved thanks to both software tweaks and better heat management. Let's talk health features because Samsung is clearly doubling down on fitness this year. The Watch 8 Classic is expected to bring back all the essentials: heart rate, SpO2, ECG, sleep tracking, and skin temperature monitoring. But there's more. New rumors point to antioxidant level tracking, a first for Samsung. That could give users insights into their body's response to stress and diet. There's also vascular load tracking, which sounds like a fancy way of monitoring your cardiovascular strain during workouts or rest. And finally, a personal health coach feature is in the works, designed to give feedback tailored to you, not just general health tips. But here's a potential downside: the leaked prototype seems to ditch the standard strap connectors. That could mean your old bands won't fit anymore, which, yeah, kind of a bummer for long-time users with a drawer full of straps. Still, this new design points toward a bigger picture. Samsung wants consistency. The Galaxy Ultra, the Squirkle Watch 8 Classic, and maybe even future wearables all sharing the same visual language. Think Apple Watch and Pixel Watch. Iconic shapes that define the brand. Samsung's clearly aiming to join that club. With the Galaxy Unpacked event just weeks away, this leak has already shaken things up. Expect to see the Watch 8 Classic take the stage alongside the new Galaxy Fold 7 Z Flip 7, and maybe even the Watch Ultra 2. This year's lineup isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about locking in a look, polishing the experience, and giving you more control, better health insights, and a seamless Galaxy ecosystem. So now the question is, are you feeling the squirkle, or are you Team Circle forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely want to know, and stick around because we've got more leaks, deep dives, and hands-on previews coming up soon.